Plastic surgery procedures today are all about getting results quicker and easier than ever before. Non-invasive fat removal, it's now possible with state-of-the-art technology. Jason Posner, a board-certified plastic surgeon for the Plastic Surgery Channel, reports on the hottest new technology.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Posner. I'm at the American Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery meeting, and I am representing Plastic Surgery Channel. We're here with the hottest new technology that I saw last week at the American Society of Lasers and Medicine and Surgery. This is the BTL Vanquish. I'm here with Mona Green from BTL Encinitas, and she's going to tell us all about this exciting new technology.
Hi, Dr. Posner. We're excited about Vanquish. Represents the latest development in radio frequency.
Well, I saw the animal data, and I saw the early human studies with this, and to me, this is probably the most promising new technology that I've seen this year. So congratulations on this, and we hope you do really well with it.
It all starts now on The View.
I'm not rushing, but this is the moment we all been waiting for. This is a XXX weight loss machine, and it says with diet, it can help you lose 2 inches off your waistline in just 4 to 6 treatments. It's called Vanquish. You got to tell us about this. I don't know what?
So you should see what it's done to my stomach.
Look at, oh my God, look at this. Look at here. This is loose. All right, let's start this machine.
Can we stay here?
Lean back, yeah, come on the side.
Come on that side.
Now, this is the thing. Whoopi was part of a clinical trial. She was part of a test group of women that did this, yeah?
That's right.
Look at this.
And I have to tell you, I don't sit still for anything.
Is this on?
This works so well, and you have no issues with it.
So tell us about it, Dr.
So
Day.
this is called Vanquish. It uses radio frequency in a whole different way. It's called multipolar. You can see from the picture how the bands go across under the skin, and it targets deep tissue, and it heats it. Now, the tissue I'm targeting is fat.
Is that why Whoopi's always so hot?
She is hot anyway. But when you saw that red, you could see that the whole area, the core, is covered, and that's why the red is even. So you're covering the whole area really efficiently and evenly. It takes about a half an hour for treatments, but there are no shortcuts. You have to go along with diet and exercise, and this really works. And then you can flip over and do the back.
This is amazing.
This is on. When I tell you,
This is it. Yep, that's it.
And it gets hot. It gets hot.
You just feel hot. So now I'm tuning it to her fat, and I control the tuning. So I can target the fat very efficiently.
Okay.
And you have to drink a lot of water when you do this as well for it to work really well.
Rinse it out.
That's right.
So you're targeting the fat, just kind of melting the fat?
No pain. You're permanently destroying it. So you're melting it, but the fat is destroyed.
Does that mean that her waistline, if she loses the 2 inches, it's not coming back?
It's not coming back in that spot.
Hell,
It's
yo.
gone. And it's also the largest.
Oh my gosh, we love it.
Let me tell you.
Whoopi, what?
Let me tell you something. I'm not a big one for products and stuff. This machine is magnificent.
And we want to thank Whoopi. We want to thank Dr. Day. Members of our studio audience, you're going home with some of the products, not the machine, featured here today. We'll be right back.
Lose weight without the gym, surgery, or a diet. We're going to show you the new technology. It is Monday, August 26th. The Fox 5 Morning News at 8 starts now.
Serving all of San Diego, this is your Fox 5 Morning News.
Chrissy, I feel like I should suck in my gut right about now. Guys, are you getting a little bit of a spare tire? Ladies, are you looking to maybe drop some sizes in the abdomen without setting foot in a gym, without changing your diet? Well, guess what? Board-certified dermatologist Dr. Melanie Palm is here now. And Dr. Melanie, this is some game-changing, painless, that's the key for me, painless technology that melts your fat cells. Good morning to you, first of all.
Good morning.
What is this? This is something called Vanquish.
It is.
What is that, and how does it work?
It's a Vanquish by BTL, and it's a radio frequency device. So basically, that's a special form of electricity, and it's tuned specifically to concentrate the energy at the fat level, and actually heats up your fat cells and permanently destroys some of them, and that's how we get weight reduction.
Why are you getting this done?
Why?
What's the reason?
People like it.
True. We had some pictures we wanted to show you, Dr. Melanie. Can we bring those up of men and women? This is the guy. Let's hope this is the guy, first of all.
Not me.
Not you. So kind of give us a comparison here.
Sure. So these are from European patients where it's already been under clinical trials.
Sure.
And so you can see that midsection. So this actually treats not only the abdomen, but the flanks, what we call the love handles. And you can see the before and after. It's actually 2 different patients. And there's usually, in this study, there was an average of about 2¼ inches of reduction in the waistline.
Really?
And in animal studies, it actually showed 60% decrease in the number of fat cells. And
Is
we
this
think
kinda
it's permanent.
Is this kind of like the future of
It
this
is.
kind of, you think so?
I really think it's going to be a game changer as
Wow.
far as fat loss and body contouring non-invasively.
All right, we have a picture of a female patient. Can we bring that photo up and see how? Okay, so we have two different people.
Sure,
there?
yeah.
Explain what we're looking at here.
And see, these are good ideal candidates. They're people that are close to their ideal weight, but they have that stubborn little bulge in the
Right.
midsection that they're wanting to address. So you can see in the before and afters, they're just a little bit more nipped in. Some of that area of fat is a little bit better contoured. Their tummy is a little bit flatter.
Amazing technology. And by the way, he's been laying here for about half an hour now, and that's about the duration of the treatment.
Exactly.
So he's about done.
Yeah, usually.
And is it every week? Is it every month? How often do you have to do
It's
it?
once a week for 4 sessions is
Once
what
a
the
week, 4
clinical studies
sessions.
were
Okay.
based off of.
Wow.
Serving all of San Diego, this is your Fox 5 Morning News.
Welcome back to the Morning Blend. Take a look at this before and after. The results are really noticeable. And if you're fed up with dieting and exercise because you're not seeing the results you want, new technology may help. This new procedure eliminates fat cells by 60% with just 4 treatments.
Yeah, Dr. Andrew Campbell is a double board certified facial plastic surgeon and medical director of the Quintessa Medical Spa. And he's here to tell us more about Vanquish. Is that correct?
That's it.
All right.
This is
What is
exciting
this
stuff.
thing?
It is the latest and greatest way to literally melt fat. We at Quintessa are always on the forefront of technology, and I've always been keeping my eye out on the body contouring scene for years, and I never thought that they had the efficacy, the ease of use, the reliability, you know, all the things, or even complications that some people are getting with some of the devices, until this device came out.
Let's look at some of the before and after pictures and talk through what you like about how this device works and contours.
For one, in my opinion, being in this industry for 15 years and knowing what non-surgical and no downtime procedures typically get as far as results, they're usually pretty subtle. You see it, but it's not it's not amazing.
Yeah, a lot of times we wonder, is it just because you're drinking so much water?
Right.
And
Right. That is unbelievable in my opinion. I mean, that is I honestly, that's our own patient that we treated at our center. That's not a national photograph.
And how long between that before and after?
That's only about 6 weeks.
Okay.
Wow.
So yeah, I mean, it's exceptionally impressive. And she was not changing anything about her lifestyle. She wasn't changing anything about her diet. The most impressive one at the beginning was absolutely our own patient.
This too, though.
Yeah.
Very
That
impressive.
was a 14-centimeter reduction in circumference.
Wow.
So we're looking at 5 inches.
That's amazing.
The studies that were done actually showed a 1 to 5 inch circumferential reduction. Even though that's not necessarily our goal to decrease the circumference, it's simply fat, and it's going to do the fat between the skin and the underlying muscle. So if somebody's just got a large stomach and that's due to things deep to the muscle, we're not going to change that part, but we can definitely shrink the fat between the skin and the muscle.
Thank you so much.
Vanquish.
Well, Allie has a look at the latest procedure that will transform you, so they say, in just weeks.
People can go down a whole pant size.
Bye-bye muffin top and unwanted bulges.
We're just going to treat your love handles.
No knives, needles, pain, or scars with this cosmetic quick fix. Celebrity dermatologist Dr. Ava Shamban shows us how the new Vanquish fat burner works while at her Beverly Hills office. After making sure you're the right candidate, the simple, non-invasive procedure begins by lowering the device over you. Dr. Shamban says radio waves then emit heat, which in turn shrinks fat cells. That's it, but she says it doesn't work miracles.
The ideal candidate is someone who's fit, who has several areas of just a little excess fat that they want to get rid of. On their abdomen, on their so-called love handles. So if you've got that kind of that muffin top on your jean, this is for you.
The treatments are once a week for up to 6 weeks, costing about $600 per session.
The results are permanent as long as you maintain your weight.